Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if you forgot the password to your HONOR X7d. In such case, the best solution would be to contact HONOR customer support service, tell them about this issue and provide them with the proof of the ownership of your smartphone. It can be, for example, the receipt from the store where you bought this phone. Now, in such case, they will most likely be able to help you out with your problem and will let you regain access to your smartphone without removing any personal data from it. If this option doesn't seem available for you, then you can perform a factory reset operation on your phone, which will result in all data being removed from your device unless you have a backup on your phone or on some external device. In order to perform factory reset operation, you can either use the Google services, and I'm talking about specifically Find Hub service, which you can access using any other device that you have access to. All you have to do is log into your account here, the account that is linked to your HONOR smartphone. Go to your devices list and then select your device from the list, select factory reset device, and it will perform the factory reset operation remotely. Once again, this website is called Find Hub, and it's an official Google website. If you don't have a Google account set up on your device, you can perform a factory reset operation locally using the recovery mode on your phone. If you don't know how to manage the recovery mode, you can either watch a separate video on our channel explaining how to perform factory reset operation through recovery mode specifically on this smartphone, or you can keep watching this one. I will also briefly mention how you can do that. So I will also review the last scenario and will give you a solution to it. If you do remember the password to your smartphone, but you still cannot unlock your phone with it, this might be because some third-party application is affecting the way that your lock screen behaves, and so we have to turn off the background activity for it. In order to do that, you're gonna have to enter the safe mode on your smartphone, and to enter the safe mode, you're gonna have to perform a list of actions. So first of all, hold down the volume down button and the power button at the same time until your device's screen goes off. And once your device's screen goes off, you have to release the volume down button and switch to the volume up key while keeping holding the power button. And now, once you see the HONOR's logo, just keep holding these two buttons together until your screen goes off. Once the screen goes off, you can release both of these keys, and now you are in the MagicOS menu. You can use volume up and down to navigate and power to select, or you can just use your fingers instead. It's this menu is supports touchscreen. So if you want to perform a factory reset operation from here, select clear data, factory reset, then enter the yes word on the screen and select factory reset. If you want to go to safe mode, just select the safe mode option at the very bottom of the list and then wait until your device reboots into it. Once you are in a safe mode, you will see the indicator in the bottom left corner of the screen. Now try entering your password once again, and just in case you succeed, open Settings and scroll all the way down to Security and Privacy section. Open it, then tap on the Device Unlock, tap on the gear icon next to the Screen Lock option, select Disable Lock Screen Password, tap OK, and then enter your password once again. After that, restart your phone, pressing the power button and volume up keys at the same time. select restart. Let me do this once again. And once your phone is restarted into the normal mode, you'll be able to use your device freely once again. And that's it. I hope that this video helped you, and if it did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.